Still selling the fruit soda. See?
Nagbablog ka na naman.
The blender is still here.
I-vlog mo ko at i-YouTube ko ito para dadalo mo.
Oh, customer, the kids from the school. They're here to buy soda, huh?
Dahan-dahan ha. Natatapon mo.
Wow.
Kasi yung isa kanina natapon. Thank you.
Oh, see?
Ching, cha-ching.
Ka-ching-ching, ka-ching-ching. Oh, the tolda.
I got one left.
He has the tolda. Oh. Oh, he has the cart too. The one we bought from Olongapo. Oh, see?
Too much. Oh my great. Really tender. Muntik nang humiga yung puso. Andun siya sa ilalim. Tapos, gusto niya nang pumunta sa ibabaw. Gusto niya nang sumakay sa car.
Oh, yeah. The soda girl.